Skirrid pawb. Good morning. It is 6 a.m. and we are heading out into the darkness, hoping to see the sun rise from the top of the Skirrid. It's looking a little cloudy at the moment. I don't know what we'll see. You'll find out as we do. Stay with us. It's 6:20. We are at the foot of the slopes and we're going to find our way up. Hopefully there's hot chocolate at the top. Hopefully there's a sunrise. I keep forgetting to talk to the camera, but we are halfway there. We've just left the woods. We're about to break out onto the ridge itself, up onto the Beacons Way. Sorry it's been so boring so far, but it's really early and I can't think of much to say. Let's go catch them up. This is our escape from the woods, the end of Hattie's leg. We're about to burst back onto Hugo's leg and the Beacons Way up to the top of the hill. It's quite hard to negotiate these steps and light and film. There's the wind. No sunrise yet though. We are no longer the only ones. It's become a desperate race to the top. Who's going to do it? Is it England versus Wales? Oh, I can see the top. It might be ours. The race is on. Hugo left us behind as we were grabbing buffs from the bag, having issues with focus, but we are cresting out. It's not the highest point yet, but we're getting there, and we are racing that sliver. There it is, the reason we got up. It's the last big push. 7:10. You can tell it's getting a little later because I'm talking more. race to the summit. Your torch looks like it's fireworking and sparkling. It's not, it's your breath and the wind. Looks like the summit is ours. We'll keep cracking the whip though. Racing the other people, racing the sunrise. Racing these two little whippersnappers. I will not be beaten. Okay, maybe I am beaten. It's breaking through for us. We're still on the final push. Little rotters have left me behind. There is the top though. I've been singing a rendition of "You take the high road and I'll take the low road, and I'll get to Skirrid before you." I'm not going to make you listen to that. I'm going to get cracking. We are trekking together. The sight, the end is in sight. The question now is not which party gets to the top first, but which person. It's the tortoise and the hare, and then Dad broke his ankle. We're on jog cam. Hattie's done it. She's done it. Nice work, Hattie. Nice work. Well done, Hugs. Wow. He's sneaking past me. Nice work, Chief. So yesterday I made this little stove out of my lunch, actually. Little steel tin tuna from Aldi. You got to watch though, I'm sure it was 75p when I bought it. It was 99 yesterday. And a mini can of tonic water. I'm going to put a little how-to in the comments when I start boiling this. But we're just going to have a little bit of hot chocolate up here on the hill. That is way more than we need, I know. And from there we will begin to have some hot chocolate, check out the rest of the sunset, and I might need both hands for this. There she goes. It's only my bag at risk. Let's get some water on. I did forget a windshield. Totally my fault. So we'll be having lukewarm water. We'll give it a go. I'm going to try and catch it in now, shield it as best we can. And we're wrapped up and happy. Is there a sunrise? I think that was the best of it. It's just light. I don't know, it's still sneaking through that little sliver in the back. I'll take you up the hill again now. having to deploy everything we can as a windshield. Bag, foot, bag. But we are starting to get a bit of steam off the top. It is coming, we will not be long. Not bad for a little 5-minute DIY project, if I say so myself. Or an operation, warm up the hand warmers to warm up the hands. It's like chopping firewood, it warms you twice. You got to shake the granules to get the oxygen in the granules, then they start heating up and you can stop. Like two little road men. There is something rather nice about the quiet little crackle of it. It's almost silent little stove. It's ages since I've used an alcohol stove. Quite a simple exercise really. I took that tuna tin, cleaned it out, drank the tonic water. I used a book about 1 inch high to mark out the lines with a Sharpie ready to cut round both lines, leaving myself I think 2 inches of the can to use as the centre chimney. Used a little hole punch, punched that, did cheat, and I used carbon felt round the inside. When is enough is the question. It's never going to get to rolling boil because I forgot to bring a lid. It is very windy and very cold. We are post hot chocolate and on our descent we've got our sunrise. Once again I've been left behind. I will take that all day long. It's a bit more cloud than we hoped for, but it is looking lovely. Well, we came for the sunrise, and the sun rose. From them, from it, from the Skirrid, and the sugar loaf. See you next time.